Do you think Uber quiet mode is a good idea? Would you accept a ride from a passenger if he asked you to be quiet through the app? Do you wish drivers could tell their passengers to go on quiet mode? Let me know in the comment section below. So I don't know if you guys have heard this, and I've already made a couple videos on this, but I know a lot of my videos for some reason aren't going into people's subscription boxes. So if you are subscribed, or if you want to subscribe, click the notification bell. It's just one click, and that way you will get notified when I do post videos. So hopefully that will help out so you don't miss my videos. Or just subscribe so you don't miss another video on Uber and Lyft. Let me know, what do you think about Uber quiet mode? So I'm gonna be talking about that in today's video. So before I get into all of that jazz and go over and share my thoughts, if you're interested in signing up to be a driver for Uber or for Lyft, and you wanna get a sign-on bonus, you can use the links in the description below to sign up. I will also put the link in the description to the merch store. So I just put everything on sale if you want to get some rideshare merch. It's pretty cheap. But anyways, all right, so I'm going to log into my computer here. As you can see, I have an Apple MacBook Pro. It's a pretty nice computer. It is getting a little bit old, and I'm thinking about getting a new one. And I actually have been looking at the Apple the new Apple MacBook Pro with the little touch screen here. So let me know, what kind of computer do you guys use? Do you guys have any recommendations? Or do you think I should get like a Dell, or not Adele like the singer, but a Dell laptop? Wow, that is difficult to say. I just realized that. Or what kind of computer do you guys use? I do edit quite a bit. As you can see here, I edit all my videos here. This is called iMovie. And then, but yeah, anyways, I'm going to be talking about the Uber quiet mode. But one thing that is really funny is that passengers actually have to pay more to get Uber quiet mode. So it's pretty interesting. And I just wanted to hear your guys' thoughts. So if you guys know Business Insider, well, if you guys read Business Insider, I love business, so I started to, this is the headline for this article. Uber riders can now ask their drivers to be quiet directly from the app, but you'll have to pay extra for that convenience. Quote unquote Uber. Yeah, so Uber is basically telling the passengers, hey, if you think your drivers are annoying, you can now tell them to be quiet, but you're gonna have to pay twice as much. So I'm just gonna open up my Uber app really quick and show you exactly how Uber silent mode works. I don't think any other YouTuber has done this yet. Basically, I need to change my location because I don't want you guys, reporting me. So I'm just gonna put my location, my current location, sorry, at the, Union Square in San Francisco. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Union Square. It's a great place to go, very touristy place. Actually, there's a really good Italian restaurant in Union Square in San Francisco if you guys are ever interested. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna click Union Square really quick. And this takes you back to Berkeley. I live in Berkeley, but that's just a cafe there, so you can't track my location. So if you want to go there, it's 22 bucks, really cheap, and that takes you over the bridge as well. A driver can get there in 2 minutes. If you do Uber Pool, it's a little bit longer, 4 minutes, because they have to match you with somebody. It's almost twice as cheap though, $13. Uber Comfort, that's a new one as well. And then Uber Black is $67. So I was actually wrong. In order to activate Uber silent mode, you need to pay 3 times as much money. So this is almost like a tease. Like, do you guys know what a tease is? Basically, a tease is when somebody offers you something and then you want it, but you can't really get it. A lot of girls do it. But basically Uber's like, hey, here's a little carrot, you know, you want your driver to be quiet? Here you go. Oh, by the way, you have to pay $60 instead of $20 if you want that privilege or that luxury, because I guess having your driver be quiet is now a luxury. Honestly, I don't really think it's, I mean, maybe if Uber launched this on the normal X rides, that would be a different story, but I really don't find, you know, everyday people going to say, oh, let me order an Uber Black so my driver can be quiet. It's like, if you don't want to talk to your driver, just put your headphones in, or, you know, sit there and kind of be standoffish. Just when you get in, and if your driver says hello, just say hi and don't ask any questions. The only way you're gonna have a driver who talks to you a bunch is if you engage with them and ask them questions. And then you might say, oh shoot, well, like, yeah, maybe I shouldn't have you know, asked so many questions. But yeah, that's basically the big news. I can go over a couple of the I mean, the features on Uber Black, on why they did it. So here is the news right here. Uber is rolling out a new quiet mode for riders who want to keep conversations between themselves and their drivers to a minimum. The ride-hailing service is offering the option to users who choose the Uber Black and Uber Black SUV. Those rides will come with additional perks, luggage service now, which is pretty insane, ideal interior temperature. So like now it's Uber's like erasing, like, have you seen any of those new, actually our Taco Bell has this now, but some McDonald's are rolling this out now, is that you walk up and you don't even talk to somebody, you just type in, they have these huge like iPad looking things, huge screens, and you just type in your order and then it'll, you know, then it sends the order to the back. Because if you think about it, when you go to like a fast food restaurant, you know, you don't necessarily need somebody taking your order, because, you know, you can just type it in. You know, that person is essentially useless, because, well, I wouldn't say useless, but like technology can easily replace that person, right? So because all you have to, I mean, now it's like, even at a restaurant, I'm saying, like, I'm just saying potentially you could go to a restaurant and type in an iPad your order. You don't need a server. Obviously, you know, servers and people at the front of a restaurant or at a fast food place, that's normal, and that's an expected service that you get. You know, you're actually paying for that. Just like when you go to bag up your groceries, you know, there's self-service ones now, and I actually don't go to those because I don't want, you know, I'm paying money. Why would I do it myself? But if that's the only option, yes, it could get done. So basically what I'm saying is that now Uber, you can do everything through the app. You can actually tell your driver the temperature in your car on your phone on Uber Black if you do that. So if you drive Uber Black, you're gonna start noticing these things because it is live. So yeah, it's part of Uber's effort to draw users back to its pricier Uber Black service. So if you guys didn't know, Uber started out as just Uber Black, just luxury high-end cars. Sorry, I'm making some food here. I know it's pretty late. Well, for you guys probably won't even notice, but yeah. Uber started out as a luxury service and just doing Uber Black. And now it seems, I guess, in an effort to bring back profitability, because as you guys know, Uber is losing. Uber in the first quarter of this year lost $1 billion. In an effort to make more money, they, you know, they're offering these incentives. Sorry, I thought somebody was at my door. It's just my upstairs neighbor. I have an upstairs neighbor who like yells all day. She's like complaining. She's like screaming, yelling to somebody on the phone. It's really annoying. I don't know if you guys have that, but let me know, what do you guys think about Uber quiet mode? This is, I thought it was a joke at first. I thought it was like a prank. Like Uber's like, haha, you know, quiet mode. How funny would that be? And then actually today's the first day it launched. So I think in the next week or so, I'm gonna make a video where I actually order a ride as a passenger. It'll be like a short 5-minute ride, so it shouldn't cost me like 60 bucks. It'll probably still will cost me like 15 bucks. But I'm gonna request a ride in Uber Black in select quiet mode, and then I'm gonna actually try to talk to my driver and see what he says, if he talks back or if he's too, you know, or if he wants to follow the instructions that I gave him in the app to be quiet. But anyways, guys, let me know in the comment section below. Again, if you're interested in signing up to be a driver and you want a bonus, use the link in the description below. Or even if you already have signed up for Uber and forgot to use a bonus, or for Lyft. If you sign up for Uber and Lyft and you forgot to use a referral code, check the instructions in the description. It'll tell you how to get your free bonus, because you know you deserve it. And most people don't know this, and it is working for most people. So just go in the description, follow the instructions, and you can probably, well, you'll get your bonus so as long as you completed the number of rides that, you know, you would have gotten when you did sign up. So, you know, say you signed up and then you didn't start driving for like 6 months. Yeah, probably won't get the bonus. But if you signed up, started driving like right away every day, that bonus, like you hit the requirements and you deserve that bonus. So you will get the bonus. So just use the instructions below. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.